So hello guys, I am Shauradip Biswas here. So today I am going to show you this high flow 18, this unboxing video of 4 years before and the review after 4 years. So let me show you the unboxing first, then I will show you the operation after 4 years. Now this is after 4 years only. So let me show you the unboxing first. So as you know, this is the bracket that is used for installing the fan, and this is the back part of the fan. As you can see, this is the label, and this is the base, and this is the rear side of the motor. And if you can see from inside, no, it's not visible, whatever might be, the capacitor is inside this back cover. You have to unclip the cover from these locks by removing the front guards, and this is the blade. So whatever might be. So the neck tilting or the neck indexing facility of this fan is that, as you are watching, just after assemble, just grab the guards like this and just press it downwards. As you know, this is the lowest position, and when you, this is a spring loaded thing. So when there is, the guards are removed, the blade is not there, only the motor is hung with this bracket assembly on the wall. The motor will tend to lift like this because the spring having a tension in the towards this direction. So this is the highest position. Now this is a clicking sounding like mechanism. So this is one step, this is another step. You can also keep in between two steps, no issues regarding that. This just clicks for means whatever, means this click is not that kind of click that in between two clicks you cannot keep the fan, no issues regarding that. So you can also keep this fan between two clicks, no issues. So this is the neck indexing, and this is the lowest position. So as you can see, don't bend too much, otherwise this part is plastic, it may break, but initially it's it will not break. So whatever might be, as you can watch here. So, and the movement of this, you have to adjust it by just pulling this oscillation cables. So this is the High Flow 18, as you are watching. So this fan is now 4 years old. So I am facing no issues with this fan whatsoever. So this is actually a 4-year-old fan, but you will not feel it's a 4-year-old fan, because as you can see, it's not that rusted or not that dirty, whatever, because I keep a good maintenance on this kind of fans, because this is a plastic body fans. So one thing to say you guys is that this fan is far better than that of the High Flow 16 or the High Flow 400mm, that is the High Flow Wave or the High Flow EVA or whatever might be the High Flow models that is available, because both the fans have almost same motors, but this fan is having an 18-inch or 450mm diameter. So what's the advantage is that the air spreading is slightly more compared to the 16-inch, because this is an 18-inch. So let me just show you the performance. So now the fan is in full speed. So let me show you. So as you can see, the fan is running fine, no issues regarding that. So let me just put it in oscillation. So let me show you from the sides. So one thing to note, this fan is really silent. This fan is very, very silent. The High Flow is also silent. And the airflow is also pretty good, means it's soothing airflow. Now don't expect it to be high speed, because this is a low speed. But the power consumption of this fan is also 55 watt. Normal 18-inch fan you will have 100 or more than 100 watts. So as you can see, this is the fan, this is the base of the fan, and CROMPTON High Flow. So as you can see, so let me just slow down the fan. So now the fan is in off position. So this is the string. So now nobody will claim this fan to be pretty old, like 4 years or whatever, but if you carefully watch it, as you can see, if you watch the guards, then you will see slightly rusted here, and but it's pretty ignorable, as you can see here, but it's ignorable, no issues regarding that. So this is the low speed of this fan. The low speed is really silent. Let's move to the medium. So this is the string. This is the full speed. So the speed difference is also good. It's not as that of the High Flow 16, because you will not get any difference of speed in High Flow 16 whatsoever. So let me stop the oscillation first. So now the oscillation is stopped. Let's turn off the fan. So as you are watching, so if you notice, there are some fans available in the market with this kind of blades. So these blades in India is in Hindi is called as Qatari blades. So 16-inch version of this blade is available in the market. It's made by some regional manufacturers basically, and those are high speed, those are 16-inch. So if you are familiar with those fans are very noisy, and it sounds like a real helicopter. But this is, in this high flow 18, it's not the case, because this is an 18 inch and it's a low speed, because this kind of Kachari blades or the sickle shape blades, this kind of blades are not eligible for high speed application if the size is 18 inch like this fan. So whatever might be, as you are watching, so this fan is really good and it's better than that of the 16 inch variant. So the pedestal version of this is still available, and the wall version is also available. So there are some shopkeepers out there who claim this fan is obsolete, out of stock, whatever might be, but that is totally a false news, because this fan is really new to the market since 2013. I first saw this fan in a showroom, means not a fan showroom but a different type showroom. It's in I think in 2015, and those were G logo fans. So this high flow 18 actually arrived in the market since 2013 or 14, whatever might be, and it's really a good fan, because the motor is also pretty strong and it's a very power saving fan. So whatever might be. And one thing to note, it is having a box capacitor in the back side of the motor, and the capacitor is 1.7 microfarad only. So now you may say me that capacitor is not available in the market. So you may also put there a 2.0 microfarad, no issues regarding that. It will work nicely without any burning or whatever might be, because obviously it's a Crompton product and you are not shoving a 2.5 capacitor in this fan. You are just shoving, replacing 1.7 with 2.0 if you want to replace the capacitor. But it's not required, because the original capacitor is very good of Crompton, so whatever might be. So as you know, this fan, you can use this fan for means cold rooms. This fan is not intended to use in very hot rooms, but because as you know, in a place like top floor rooms where the temperature is really hot, you have to use a high speed fan like the Crompton Whirlwind Gale or the Crompton Wind Flow or the Crompton High Speed 16 inch, but or that 12 inch high speed variants whatsoever. As you know, this fan is basically a cold room, means it's good for cold room applications. So if you have an AC room, means actually Crompton makes this high flow range of fans only for AC rooms only. Now if you live in a good, means ambient average good temperature place like the Kerala or whatever might be, where the peak to peak temperatures are around 25 to 30 degree, means that means 20 to 30 degree, where the summer and winter temperatures are, means the extremes. So in that place this fan is really good, but above 35 degrees centigrade you will feel little, you will regret, because this fan's airflow is soothing airflow, but it's not intended for hot rooms. And as you know, and one thing to say, there are some people out there who claim this table fans and wall fans are made to give you cool air. So I don't understand what the fact is that, because this is not an AC or this is not an air cooler to give you cool air. Whatever the air is behind the fan, it will just pump the air towards you. So this is the basic fact of this fan. So this kind of fan, this fan will give you soothing airflow. That's the end fact. Now if you want a really a stronger fan than this, because this is a very light duty fan, as you know, the body is made up of plastic, as you can observe from here. It's totally a plastic built fan. So if you want more powerful 18 inch fan from this, then go for the Crompton Storm 2. That's really a good fan. There is also another fan of Crompton, that is the Crompton Vortex, but that is an industrial fan, so forget about it. So in domestic purpose, this fan is also good, and the Storm 2 is also good, depending on the budget, because the price of this fan is around 2300 rupees. That's why the thing is that this fan is pretty good, but if you can increase your budget, then I will suggest you to go for the Storm 2, because you will get a metal construction with that fan, and the price is around 3200 or 3300, means 1000 rupees more than this. But whatever might be, if your room is cold, if you are owning an AC and you are using that AC or whatever might be, then this fan will be a great option. You don't require the Storm 2. But if you want a tough fan for your rough usage and whatever might be, then you may go for the Storm 2. No issues regarding that. But now this is the fan. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So if you want to purchase this fan, you may go for this fan, because I will personally recommend you to buy this 18 inch variant instead of the 16 inch variant, because the 16 and 18 inch of this high flow is almost priced the same. So that's why I am saying. So whatever might be, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys have any comments, then please comment it down, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So whatever might be, guys, thank you guys for watching.